Hello, hi dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss JMN's questions in this chapter. So, okay, let us have a discussion. The first question: if each of the lines 5x plus 8y equal to 13 and 4x minus y equal to 3 contains a diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 2 into a square minus 7a plus 11 into x minus 2 into a square minus 6a plus 6 into y plus b cube plus 1 equal to 0. Then these are the possibilities. These two are the lines representing the diameter of the circle. So diameter means the point of intersection of diameter. Diameter is center of the circle. So first we have to solve the two equations of diameter. 5x plus 8y equal to 13 is minus 13 equal to 0. And the second equation 4x minus y equal to 3. 4x minus y equal to 3 means minus 3 equal to 0. Now what I am doing is to eliminate y, this equation multiplying by 2. Better to multiplying by 8. So it will becomes 32x minus 8y minus 8 3 is 24. So now solving these two equations. Whenever here plus 8y minus 8y, so you have to cancel it. 5x plus 32x, 37x, minus 13 minus 24, minus 37. So 37x equal to 37, x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, substitute either in this equation or in this equation. X is equal to 1, substitute in 5x plus 8y minus 13 equal to 0. So 5 plus 8y minus 13 equal to 0. 8y equal to 8, y is equal to 1. So the circle center, C is equal to 1 comma 1. Now you write that equation of circle. X square plus y square minus 2 into a square minus 7a plus 11 into x minus 2 into a square minus 6a plus 6 into y plus b cube plus 1 equal to 0. Center of this circle is equal to 1 comma 1. What is center of this circle? Minus x coefficient by 2. So minus 2 into this value divided by 2. Minus or minus plus. So a square minus 7a plus 11 minus y coefficient by 2. So a square minus 6a plus 6 is equal to 1 comma 1. Equating these two. So now a square minus 7a plus 11 minus 1 equal to 0. After equating that 1, we are taking this side. So a square minus 7a plus 10 is there of 10 factorization, 5 into 2. So minus 2a minus 5a plus 10 equal to 0. We can write it as a minus 2 into a minus 5. So a is equal to 2 and a is equal to 5. These are the possibilities of a. Here a possibility is also given in the options. Now if we take this value is 1, what are the values of a? A square minus 6a plus 6. That 1 also we can take this side, minus 1 equal to 0. A square minus, here 6a is there. Here 6 minus 1 is 5. So we can write it as here minus 5a minus a plus 5 equal to 0. So we can write it as, by using factorization, a minus 1 into a minus 5. We will get a is equal to 1 and a is equal to 5. So from here two values of a, from here two values of a. Among these a is equal to 5 is common now. So a is equal to 5. We decided that a is equal to 5. From these two common, a is equal to 5. Therefore a is the right value of a is 5. So a is equal to 5 we have only in the first option and fourth option. So B option and C option is not correct. We decided. Why? Because a is equal to whatever the value of a is common, that we are considering here. Next, they are asking, after substituting a is equal to 5 in equation, you keep that equation number 1. A is equal to 5. Substitute in equation 1. We get equation of circle x square plus y square. A is equal to 5 if you substitute. 25 minus 2 into. Here 25 minus 35. 25 plus 11. 36. 36 minus 35. 1 into x minus 2 into a square 25 minus 30 plus 6. 31 minus 31 into y plus b cube plus 1. So now it will becomes x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus b cube plus 1 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to minus b cube minus 1. Now I am going to make this equation of circle in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So we are adding or subtracting x square minus 2x plus 1. We are adding here. Plus y square minus 2y plus 1. Both sides we are adding 2, no? Indirectly. So 2 minus b cube minus 1. This is the expansion of x minus 1. This is the expansion of y minus 1. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus b cube. That also can be written as x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus b cube whole square. We can write it. We know that the value of radius is always greater than 0. So here radius r equal to square root of 1 minus b cube is always greater than or equal to 0. So whenever root value is greater than 0, 1 minus b cube is also greater than 0. So now 1 cube minus b cube. We can write it as 1 minus b into a cube minus b cube formula. 1 plus b square plus b is greater than 0. For any value of b it is greater than 0 obviously. So 1 minus b is greater than 0. So 1 is greater than b. That implies that b is less than 1. What is the meaning of b is less than 1? This is 1. This is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. Less than 1 means the value of b lies between in this interval. So b belongs to open interval of minus infinity to 1. So the value of b is open interval of minus infinity to 1 and the value of a is equal to 5, which is there in the fourth option. We will move to the next question. The next question. If a circle C passing through the point 4, 0 touches the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 externally at a point 1, minus 1, then the radius of the circle C is the first circle. We have to assume that. See, according to the question, you draw the figure, you will get idea. This is the first circle whose center we don't know. This is C is equal to 0 circle now. This center, first circle means I am assuming that whose center is C1. That I am taking as H, K. And this circle is passing through which point? 4, 0. So somewhere I am taking here 4, 0. We will take like this. 4 comma 0. This I am assuming that point Q. Circle, if a circle C passing through the point 4 comma 0 touches the circle, this is the second circle. I am taking this circle is another circle we have taken, whose center we will decide. What is the second circle here? X square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Circle center. This is second circle. No, this is a yes. I am assuming that whose center is C2 minus x coefficient by 2 minus y coefficient by 2. So minus 2 comma 3 and radius R2 equal to whose radius is R1. I am assuming. I don't know. This radius is R1. This radius is R2. R2 we will calculate now. Square root of g square plus h square. 4 plus 9 minus of minus 12 root 25. It is equal to 5. So R2 value is 5. We got it. C2 value is minus 2 comma 3. This is x2 y2. This is x1 y1. Clearly observe that. R1 and these two circles touches externally at the point 1 comma minus 1. Here I am taking the point P. So this point is 1 comma minus 1. This is the point. These two circles touch each other externally at this point 1 comma minus 1. So whenever the circle touches from here to here distance, from here to here distance, both are same only now. Since the point Q in this circle C is passing through Q comma 0, from the figure C1P is equal to C1Q. C1P, this is P mark here. Otherwise I will write here better. 1 comma minus 1. Easy to understand. This point is 1 comma minus 1. C1P equal to C2 C1Q. Squaring on both sides. C1P square equal to C1Q square. C1Q square, that means h minus 4 whole square plus y k minus 0 whole square means k square simply. C1Q square, distance between these two, h minus 1 whole square plus k minus of minus 1, k plus 1 whole square. Now expanding, h square minus 8 h plus 16 plus k square is equal to h square minus 2h plus 1 plus k square plus 1 plus 2k. Both sides h square, k square get cancelled, and the rest of the terms here minus 8h and minus 2h I am taking this side plus 2h, and there is no k term here. That k term we can take this as minus 2k. Here plus 1 2. 2 we are taking this side. So 16 minus 2. So that implies minus 8h minus 6h minus 2k plus 14 equal to 0. Throughout dividing by 2, it will become 3h dividing by minus 2, including minus. 3h plus k minus 7 equal to 0. So that implies 3h plus k is equal to 7. You keep that equation number 1. This step we will use in the coming steps. We got it. They are asking to calculate radius of first circle. This radius we are going to calculate now, R1 value. So that is the required one. R1 is questionable. That we are going to decide. What is the use of calculating this one? These two circles touch each other externally at what point? 1 comma minus 1 only. That means P divides C1 C2 in the ratio of R1 is to R2 externally. We know the formula. Here I will write it. P of 1 comma minus 1 divides C1 C2 divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Two circles touch each other externally, but the division is internally, you remember, internally. So now, in place of that formula, I am going to write with black pen and white, easy to understand. So 1 comma minus 1 is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 divided by R1 plus R2, R1 y2 plus R2 y1 divided by R1 plus R2. This is the formula, you know that, a well-known formula. So x1 y1, x2 y2 we have, R1 value is R1, R2 value is 5. So which is equal to 1 comma minus 1 equal to R1 x2. R1, x2 value is minus 2. So minus 2 R1 plus R2 x1. R2 value is what? 5. 5 into h, 5h divided by R1 plus 2. R1 plus R2. That means 5 plus R1. R1 plus 5 otherwise. R1 y2. R1 y2 value is 3. So 3 R1. Next plus R2 y1. That means 5 into k, 5k. Divided by R1 plus R2. Again R1 plus 5. Equating x coordinate and y coordinates. So fastly we will do, but according to the student convenience I am doing clearly. So 1 is equal to minus 2 R1 plus 5h divided by R1 plus 5 cross multiply. R1 plus 5 equal to minus 2 R1 plus 5h. Minus 2 R1 we can take this side. I want to make h as a subject. So 3 R1 plus 5 is equal to 5h. That implies h is equal to 3 R1 plus 5 divided by 5. H value we got it. Similarly, k value also we need to get it. So minus 1 is equal to 3 R1 plus 5k divided by R1 plus 5. So cross multiply directly with minus 1. So you will get minus R1 minus 5 equal to 3 R1 plus 5k. So that implies 3 R1 we can take this side. Minus 4 R1 directly I am writing equal to minus 5 equal to 5k. So k equal to minus 4 R1 minus 5 divided by 5. These two h comma k values substitute in this equation, you will get radius of the first circle R1. R1 means what? Radius of the first circle C. So h comma k values substitute in equation 1. We get, so 3 times of h value is 3 R1 plus 5 divided by 5 plus k means minus 4 R1 minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 5 take LCM, we can take this side, and 9 R1 plus 15 minus 4 R1 minus 5 equal to 35. So 9 R1 minus 4 R1, 5 R1, 15 we are taking this side, which is equal to, 15 minus 5 is 10, 10 we can take this 30, 25. So R1 is equal to 25 by 5. R1 is what? The radius of first circle C equal to 0. Therefore, R1 equal to 5, radius of circle C. So it is there in the first option. Thank you dear students for watching. In this till MSET JEE, I will give like short videos, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes video I am giving every day. So it is 100% helpful for the students in my view. Thank you all for your support.